sad tonight, and the words won't come out right. It's been a long day on the track, and it's stamina that I lack. So won't you run to me tonight? Could pretend we're just lovers, but I'll only ever be a middle distance run. When my heart is beating hard, and I'm off with a shot at the start, and my legs tremble from the strain. By the finish line and dream. So won't you run to me tonight? Let's not talk about next summer, 'cause I'll only ever be a middle distance run. Well, I'm so proud tonight of the woman you've become, and I'm just too tired to fight. So my darling, I'll succumb, but you'll have to run to me tonight. I will love you forever, but I'll